Hi, welcome to online practice lesson about mechanical comprehension. So today our first problem will be an object with a mass of 50 kg is resting on a flat surface. The coefficient of friction between the object and the surface is 0.3. What is the force of friction resisting the motion of the object? So here normal equation is equals to F equals to K or nu times F K R nu. So this is a friction force and it's a force which is depending on us, and this is a K which is coefficient friction. So here we're going to solve this one. Like first one is F equals to mg. It's a F normal. F normal equals to F equal to mg. So here m, the value of m equals to 50 kg, and it's a gravity 9.8 meter per second square. So here we will get 490 kg meter per second square or Newton. So here we need to calculate what is the force of friction resisting the motion of the object. So here the surface friction is 0.3. We need to multiply with the force, normal force. So here Fk equals to 0.3 times 490 kilogram meter per second square. So here we will get like this way. So here if we calculate, like 3 times 0 equals to 0, and 3 times 9 equals to 27. Here 7 comes and 2 is a carry, and 3 times 4 equals to 12 plus 2 equals to 14. So here 1 4. So one digit point. So here 147 Newton. So here the 147, the nearest value will be 150 Newton. So today our second problem will be a spring with a spring constant of 200 Newton meter is compressed by 0.5 meter. What is the potential energy stored in the spring? So here 200 Newton meter compressed by 0.5 meter. So we need to find out the potential energy. It's PE. So PE equals to half kx square for, it's a spring equation, spring. So this is for the energy consumption equation. So here P, so we need to find out the value, like PE equals to half, it's a coefficient or spring constant, it's K. So we need to multiply with 200 times 0.5 meter, so 0.5 meter whole square. So here we need to calculate, like so 2 will cut off 200 or goes over 200. It's 2 times 100 times 100 times 0.5 means 0.5 times 5 equals to 25. So here we will get 0.25. Now we need to multiply with 100. 0.25 times 100. So here 20, we can shift like 2 and 5. So here 2 and 5 we will shift before point. So it's become 25. So 25 joule will be the energy stored inside the spring. So come to another problem. So today this is our third problem. Is a motor lifts a 200 kg object to a height of 10 meters within 20 seconds. How much power is required to do this work? So we need to find out the value of P equal to W by A. So it's a work per hour. So we need to find out the work. So work equal to mg. So here it's a height. We need to push down the object to the 10 meters height, and it's a mg or mg. Yes. So work per hour. So we need to find out the value, like mg. This ace is ace for height, it's 10 meter, and it's an hour, so we need to symbolize this one as a T, W by T. We can here get the MTAs over T. So here our value is M equals to 200 kg times 9 point, it's gravity, 9.8 meter per second square, times there's a 10 meters height, so it's 10 m, and over it's 20 second, so 20 will go over 200, it will give us 10, so 10 kg, and this s second will goes to up, and it's a second inverse. So now we will get like 10 times 9.8 equals to 98. 98 times 10 equals to 980. 980, it's meter, so kg meter square, it's 1 meter, 2 meter, it's meter square, and it's a second inverse, 1 inverse and 2 inverse, so it's a 3 inverse 3. So we will get the power. So the power will be 980 watt, or it's 1000 watt. Nearby value is 1000. Option D will be the answer. So now come to another problem. Is here a wrench is used to tighten a bolt, and the force applied is 50 Newton at the end of the wrench. If the length of the wrench is 0.3 meter, what is the torque exerted on the bolt? So here we will get like T tau equals to F R. This R for distance, F for force. So when you find out the torque, that's mean tau. Tau equals to, it's a mark, question mark. Tau equals to 2, sorry, not 2. So we need to multiply with 50 Newton times 0.3 equals to 0.3. So first, when we multiply with the fractional value, we will get like 3 over 10. So 10 will goes over 5 years 5 times, and we will get, it's a meter, so we will get 5 times 3 equals to 15. So 15 Newton meter. So 15 Newton meter will be the answer. So option A is answer. So today this is our last problem for this tutoring. So today this will be our last problem. Is here a car of a mass 1000 kg is moving around a curve with a radius of 50 meters at a speed of 20 meters per second. What is the centripetal force acting on the car? So here we need to find out the value of F. It's a force, so it's a circular force is acting like it's a radius R, and it's a M for 1000 kg, and it's a B, which is a conical movement, conical value velocity, so it's a 20 meters per second. So we need to find out the value of F. It's a mv square, so mv square over R. So we need to find out the value of F. So here 1000 kilogram, 1000 kg, as a 20 meter per second over 50 meter. So 50 will goes over 1000, it's 1000, it's 20 times, so 20 times 20 equals to 400, sorry, it's a 420 meter per second whole square, so b square. So we will get 420 kg meter, and times here 400 meter square and second square. So here meter, and 1 meter will remove from here, so we will get as a times like 4 times 2 equals to 8, and 3 0 1 0 and 2 0, like 8000 kg, it's 1 meter and per second square, or Newton. So 8000 Newton will be the answer, 8000 Newton. This answer will be B. So thanks for watching this video. Hope all this tutorial or all this problem has really very benefited for your exam. So goodbye for now. Wait for the next time, and thanks for watching again. Goodbye. Have a nice day.